internet. I'm AJ, and you know why you're here because you clicked on this video, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and whack the page over my beats so you guys know when I post. And make sure to follow the links in the description box down below so you guys see all my other fun content and stuff like that. Let's get right into the video. So this is the entirety of my closet. I mean, don't get me wrong, like there's stuff like here and stuff over here, but for the most part, about 80% of my closet is this. Wow, that is such a cool closet, AJ. I know, it's so tiny. This door doesn't even open all the way.
Well, okay, that's because you have it set.
Oh, I do.
On this, okay, move your boots.
Jordan, it's stuck there.
Yeah, so, you're screwed.
So this is the entirety of my closet. From the last couple of times I've done this closet clean out, I have gotten rid of a significant amount of stuff, and I've only bought like 5 items since then. So we're just gonna make this thing even smaller. Oh, I have my jack in the way so you can't see anything. And then I'm also not getting rid of this stuff either, but. So these are all my long sleeve shirts. These are all my short sleeves. Then over here, well actually down here we have all of my shorts, pants, and like sweatpant kind of stuff. Then we have some extra stuff over here. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the shirts. Don't know where I'm gonna put them. Alright, so now here's all of my shirts. So I guess we'll just go through these all one by one. Because starting off with this, gonna put this back in my closet because I like to wear it. This one I'm thinking maybe back over to the holiday stuff because I mean it's cute and all that, but I only really wear it on left-handed day and that's about it. Okay, so just to go over things, basically if I keep it, it goes back in the closet. I'm gonna have 2 piles over here. One first so that's just gonna be like holiday, special occasion kind of stuff. So shirts like this, or I already have like my Christmas shirts over somewhere else. And then I'm going to have a second pile, which is going to be the stuff that I want to try on because I'm just like unsure of it, whether it's because I just don't wear it often or it's like I don't have anything to wear with it, that kind of stuff.
Okay.
Why is it blurry? You're supposed to be on blur duty!
Well, it's unblurred now.
Oh,
Because I looked at it. Literally, like, once I looked at it, it just, like, unblurred.
You're not even in frame! You know what would be really cute?
Yes!
This one needs to be tried on.
That doesn't fit me anymore.
Jordan,
so.
we have a problem. These are all the shirts left in my closet.
So, we're going shopping.
So what do I have? Pink and black. Alright, so now we have that try-on pile. That shirt just needs to be fixed. These are all of my long sleeves and my flannels.
That's a lot more.
To go through, but so far that's my tops now.
Clothes.
We're gonna do shorts and overalls. These ones look kind of old and wrinkly.
Yeah, those just, they don't look right. It's like
oh my gosh, they're fraying. I'm keeping these, by the way. So that's a nice size try-on pile. Pants! Oh, that's loose. That's nice. Great. It's giving Christmas.
I think those might be Christmas pants.
Should we put these in the holiday pile?
I think so. Just a hunch.
I'm gonna try on half my closet today. Because now we have, these are so far all of my bottoms. So we have this giant section of clothes over here for me to try on because I'm indecisive. You can see the array of clothes I have in my closet. It gets even smaller! Okay, here we have tank tops.
Oh, those are what? Ooh, pretty dresses.
All of my dressy stuff. Ah, the camera! Maybe I should go ahead and keep the dresses.
Okay.
Just because there's not that many of them. I mean, there's like 5. So there's not really a reason to get rid of 5 dresses. Okay. Now move over to the next section, which is workout tops.
Oh, fun.
That's a gigantically growing try-on pile.
Okay, now we count this.
Well, we still have to go through workout shorts. I understand that I might have a problem. However, so this is the try-on pile.
1, 2, 3. Just over half of 100.
Oh yeah, so I threw like my hoodie and jacket over here, but I don't need to try those things on because those are fine.
You're going to try on every single one of
Yes,
these shirts
I am.
right now. Right now. All right, get to it. No, I'm kidding. You can fit in here. Well, we need to get this done quickly, so just get to it, girl.
So that's the pile of stuff right there.
My word.
So we got a whole bunch of like pants and stuff, and there's that one shirt. Alright, so clearly it is a different day today, given the look of my hair and the top I currently have on. But I wanted to finish up this video of like cleaning out my closet and stuff, because before today, I did not have like a mirror in my room to actually like look at an outfit in full. But if you look behind me, there is a mirror over there. So now I can finally finish trying on my clothes and form maybe like another pile of clothes I want to get rid of. So I will get right into that. Okay, so granted there were a couple of things I was a little bit indecisive on, so I went ahead and put them back in my closet for rotation. But if you look behind me over here, that's all the rest of the stuff I'm getting rid of. So that's like 10 more things. Plus that's already on top of like the other like 10 to 11 things I got rid of I say last time, it was like a week ago, and then I'm just going to add like this stuff onto it. So we have some pants and shorts over there. Then we have some like tops over there. So, you know, there's definitely been some stuff I've gotten rid of. So now if we head over to my closet. So, these are all the tops. Granted, I still have to like put like a few clothes away and all that kind of stuff. But this is the top section. And the bottom section currently looks really sad right now. Granted, I am also having to put some clothes away. But that's what the bottom section is kind of looking like. And then not really like the bins are going to look that much different because I didn't get rid of too much stuff from my workout clothes. But there's a lot of hangers over here. Yeah, a lot of hangers. And then if it goes back pretty far. But yeah, it goes back to about It's back to about here, yeah. And then those are all the other things. I mean, there's a lot of hangers right over here, but that's all that section. And now I feel like my closet looks significantly smaller. There's just not as much in it now. And workout tops, those are also significantly smaller. Workout bottoms, not too bad. There's so much empty space back here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and whack the notification bell up there so you guys know when I post. And make sure to follow links in the description box down below so you guys see all my other fun stuff and social medias and things such as that. I'll see you guys in the next video.